In order to silence notifications on iPhone 17e, all you have to do is simply go to the control center, so swipe down from the upper right side of the phone, just like that, and then in here we should be able to find the focus button. It is added by default, so I assume you still have it in here or somewhere else, but in the control center. Then after opening the focus section, you should be able to find the not disturb, which we can use in order to silence all notifications as it is described over here. So tap on this button to turn it on or turn it off. You can tap on these three dots in order to turn on DND mode for 1 hour or until tomorrow morning. And also, if you have this moon icon on the focus button, then you can tap on that moon in order to just immediately activate DND mode, and then notifications are going to be silenced. And if you of course tap again, you will deactivate it. But make sure that it is indeed the moon icon, because it can be switched to something else, especially if you used another focus mode in the meantime. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.